excited. I just got an order to the door and I ordered some organic honey, and I'm gonna start making medicine for if the kids do come down with a little bit of a cold in the winter. Fingers crossed. We have been good for a long time since we took all the crap out of our home. Anyways, I just like to be prepared. I always have stuff on hand. So literally all you need is garlic, and then this is the organic honey that I got. Let's put it together. Okay, so first what we're going to do is, we're gonna peel the garlic. I'm gonna cut the end off that is here, and then we're going to put them in this mason jar, and then we will fill it with honey. Okay, so thank God I stopped that, or you guys would have been watching forever. So I've got them all peeled. Here they are. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to slice this end off of all of them, and then we're gonna put them in the jar. So let's do that. Okay, so we've got the garlic in here. It's all good to go. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to take this honey I just got, and this is called Naturo honey. Natroni? I don't know. Organic honey. Anyways, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to take the cap off of it, and we will fill this jar with the honey, and then we will let it sit probably until around November. 4 or 5 weeks of letting it sit, and then if you have the onset symptoms of a cold or a sore throat, you're just gonna mix this up and then take a teaspoon of it, or a tablespoon, or however much you want. So that's pretty much it. So you can take a knife and you want to mix it all up. Just like this. Debubble it. And then you're going to scrape off your knife. Put the lid on and put it in the cupboard and leave it, like I said, for about 4 or 5 weeks, and then take a teaspoon if you feel like you're having a sore throat. So there you go. That is exactly how you make a homemade cough syrup that's good for cold and flu season. You can put more garlic if you want. If I had more, I would put more, but that's pretty well it. So let it sit now for 4 or 5 weeks, and then take a teaspoon as you need it when you have the onset of a sore throat, or just for a treat, because the properties of this just for your immune system are so good. So give it a try, and as always, guys, thank you so much for following along. Share this out to somebody who you think may like it, but you have to do it now, right? So share it to somebody now that can get this made, and then they'll have some in their cupboard too when the time comes and you need it. So thank you guys so much. As always, like, comment, let me know if you've made this before and if it works for you, and then ring that bell, subscribe so you never miss a video. See you guys.